Hello again, VR enthusiast, and welcome back to Work in the Verse. In another video, Rick and I discussed some of the issues with the Quest 3. Today, we're going to talk about some of the ways you can play with your Quest 3 without just playing games. And if you're rocking a Quest 2, no worries. Whether you own a Quest 3 or a Quest 2, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's dive into the exciting topics we have lined up for you in this video. First, we'll talk about how the Quest headset can revolutionize the way you learn new skills or improve the ones you already have. Then, we'll show you how to bring your computer with you, wherever you go. We'll also discuss a cool sound and location feature that you may not have thought possible, an idea on how you might shoot your next video, and even invite your friends from the virtual world to your real home. Be sure to watch to the end as we'll tell you how to save yourself some serious cash if you own both the Quest 2 and Quest 3 headset. Virtual reality has long been associated with entertainment, but with the Quest 3's color pass-through feature, its practical applications have expanded dramatically. You're no longer confined to a room. You can move around with greater freedom than ever before. We're on the cusp of a future where we can work with experts who can guide us in real time. Microsoft gave us this vision a few years ago with the HoloLens 2. They were never able to get it to scale, but now with the Quest 3, it's a step in the right direction. Now, let's talk about learning and skill improvement. Have you ever wanted to learn to play the piano or perhaps enhance your existing piano skills? Well, Piano Vision is here to help. It has you covered with 3 types of play, all involving a keyboard overlay. The first method is without any piano. You simply indicate where you want the keyboard and define it, and then start playing. It won't make the purist happy for several reasons, but it's a great way to build muscle memory. Now, maybe you happen to have an acoustic piano taking up space and collecting dust. Piano Vision can work with that too. No more excuses. Time to get learning, albeit not perfect or as good as using a MIDI-enabled keyboard, which is the third option. But there's more to playing an instrument than just the physical aspect. You also need to learn how to read music, and that's where Piano Vision can assist. It offers both traditional notation and an alternative approach, making learning more accessible for everyone. Shifting to making what you have already more accessible, with the Quest 3, you can bring your laptop or desktop with you as long as you're connected to the same network. With this exclusive experience for the Quest 3, the Remote Display app lets you connect to your computer and place it just about anywhere using pass-through. It's a bit like Horizon Workrooms or Immersed, but without the limitations of a fixed location. It's in beta, so I see lots of opportunities for improvement, and it's not hard to see how this will change in the near future. If you want to learn how to set up Remote Display, check out our Horizon Workrooms video where we explain the process in setting up the Meta Remote Desktop app, which also drives the Remote Display application. Have you ever been in a location and wondered where the sound might be coming from, or where something is located relative to where you're at? Quest 3, and for that matter, Quest 2, can help you now do that. Start by going to what you want to see and open up your menu. Now, with pass-through turned on, move to another location. I'm going to go up to the next floor. This is like X-ray vision, and now I can see where I left the menu. This hidden feature is only going to get better once Meta and app developers make better use of Spatial Anchors. Next, if you want to shoot exciting videos from a first-person perspective, Quest 3 offers a unique advantage. You can capture shots that used to require additional equipment like gimbals and cameras with even better clarity. Pass-through recording is incredibly crisp, reducing the need for multiple takes. I wouldn't be surprised seeing more creators making videos with their Quest 3 in the future. Now, have you ever tried inviting someone over to your virtual home with pass-through turned on? It's a remarkable experience, and it's only going to get better with time. I've done this now with Rick on both the Quest 2 and Quest 3, and each time the experience leaves me in awe. I know Rick can't actually see my space in today's iteration, but I wouldn't be surprised in the future that won't be possible. The Quest 3 is capturing the layout of your room and is starting to understand the objects, with your help, as to what is approximately there. One would think the first iteration would be a basic layout so you can feel that you're in the same place. It won't be easy due to different sized rooms and the concern of lack of correct guardian boundaries, but it's coming. Object occlusion will add more sense to the realism, as you can see clearly here when I went into a different room that I can still see Rick, but it was still cool nonetheless. Lastly, for those of you who own both a Quest 2 and Quest 3, have I got a money-saving tip for you. Meta offers app sharing. allowing you to install your purchased apps on both headsets. This makes it convenient for individual play, and you can even extend it to multiplayer apps by signing in with different user accounts. It's a cost-effective way to enjoy the same application with your friends or family. We hope you found these tips and insights useful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep working the verse.